Okay, so let's start with the first screen. The first screen is here. You just frame it. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's a great thing about it. You're there, confirm. Let's take the next one. Let's do it like this. This is the menu. Now, you know what? I didn't like that one. Let's add it again. Let's try to frame it as close as possible to the screen. There you go, confirm. Now let's do the next one. The next one, let's do it around there. There you go. You can do this much faster than me, I'm pretty sure. And on this page, we have 2 more screens. Let's take the photo real quick. 1, 2, and 3. Boom, confirm, we got it. Let's take the photo of this one. 1, 2, 3, and I didn't like it. Let's add it again, real quick. There you go. That's the Udemy Chill page. Confirm, and now let's press the X button. So now you have all of your images and they're ready for you to create your prototype. On the next lecture, we're going to add all of the transitions and all the links between these pages for them to become a pretty cool prototype. So stay tuned.